Now, okay, fine. My voice is audible or not?
Audible, Ravi.
Okay, let's see that. Okay, na. So what is that? Which property we are going to see that format underscore SQL, right? So come inside that. Come inside that Hibernate XML. So I said that by default this one is the false, right? This one if we write it, if we write or not, if we not write right, just if we make that right, if we make this one as a false only, right? If we make this one as a false only, just I made what false here means it's compared to if we write or not, it will become like that only, right? Or remove it only. This is not mandatory, right? So after removing it, right, after removing it, see, come on the console, come on the console at the runtime, class by class is query showing or not, class by class is query showing that or not in the console, means a decorated format. Because of that we use that attribute, right? If we not use that attribute, then this query will come in the single line only. Okay na, single line. That is the power of that attribute. Okay na, run the application and see, observe the console. I removed format underscore SQL query equal to true na. See that the power of that just when the generate our Hibernate will generate the query, then the query will come in the single line only. See the query at that time the class by class the query is coming, right? In this time only the single line, the queries came in the single line only, na. So that is the use of that property, right? That is the use of that property, nothing more than else. So okay, so this is what I made true. My system is too much. I'm true, true. Okay na. Okay, so now so underscore, what is the meaning of that? So underscore SQL, so underscore means this query is generating on the console, right? If we not write it, if we not write if we make the false here, right? If we make the false, just make ALSE false, then the query after runtime, just here I'm writing what, sysout, sysout. Now object is save, right? Object is save now. Okay, object is save. Okay, now run this application. The query will not generate on the console. Observe the console. Observe the console, right? See here, whatever we wrote the SOPL and those messages we got, but we are unable to see the what, we are unable to see the what, the query on the console, right? Means that is the meaning of what, that is the meaning of what, this tag, right? TRU, I'm making the true only. Now create, right? Create, what is the use of create property? Come here, create means just inside that I'm forgetting one thing also, right? Session dot close method, close, I'm calling this method also. Okay, fine. Okay now, so now what we will do now, come here, create I write the create, right? Create. Okay now create that. So what will happen, see, observe the console. Already table is there in the database, right? Already employee table is there first time we run the application at the time na. So what, see, Hibernate is dropping first, that table is dropping, that if exist table is there, then drop it, then it's creating again and again, means for that is the meaning of what, create, right? Create. So no, I don't want to create, right? I want another update also, right? Update. So in this time, if anything is, if we increase here, right? If increase one attribute, right? So shall I increase it or not? Okay, let's increase it, right? Let's increase it. I'm deleting these things. Okay, so here just I'm taking, what is that? My system is getting too much slow nowadays. Okay, here I'm taking, what is that? Private, just a string address, Alt Shift S plus R. Select all, generate setter getter method, Alt Shift S plus R. No, S, string Alt Shift S plus S. Fine. Okay, na? Now run this application, just come here. It will not, if we use update, right? Here one row, one column will increase, column will increase by default null value, right? Just one updation will happen, except that data 101 Rabi, everything will be the same only, right? Everything will be same only, right? So now let's run this application and see that. It will fail because primary key is there, na? Primary key is there, the program will fail. Yeah, I said that na, a program will fail because primary key is a unique only. So but still, see here, alter table employee, add column attribute, but at the time of insertion, our table means our operation is failed because of primary key. But come here, just refresh it, see the data is there, right? Data is there, the primary key, and here null one, means one thing is added or not, one thing is added or not. But if we take create, right? If we take create here, then the see the application also not fail because the primary key is a unique only, right, in the database. Okay, so if here take the create, then it will drop the table and create, then the program will go in smooth only, right? Create, fine. Okay, na? Create, fine. Okay, now, okay, now let's run this application again. See, these things will gone, means 1 2 3 4, again the table will drop, right? Table will drop, and again this table will generate it, and we can able to see on the console also those things. Come here and see the alter operation when we are performing in the database. If we want to modify our table, right? And validate, we have need to create explicitly table inside that, then we can insert the data, right? Then we can insert, see, come here what happened, drop table means delete the table. Hibernate is first deleted the table, then again it's created the table. It's created the table, then it's inserted the table. But that time what it will happen, just alter operation happened. After then what is that, insertion operation happened. These operation was not happen in the updation, right? Validate and create and drop, those things is also there. Okay, na? So those things we will learn tomorrow. Okay, na? Tomorrow those okay, no need, we will learn in the Spring ORM. Tomorrow I will start what is that, Spring ORM, right? Spring ORM. But let's come inside that, what I said that, right? I don't want this attribute name. So for that, which annotation we will apply? Which annotation we will apply? Okay, come inside that. Let's see that discussion also just for the second. Okay, now I will open the employee, right? I will employee. So for that, what is that employee? I want my name in the come in the table, right? Come in the table. EMP ID, EMP name, EMP cell, address. These things, these attribute name only become in the table database, and a table also become employee name only, right? See the table name. What is that? Employee. So I want my name. I don't want the Hibernate generated. For that, what is that? @ table, right? @ table. Inside that, what we will do now? Name equal to what is that? EMP. I want this name. Okay now, here what is that? I want my name @ what? Column annotation, right? Column annotation, column name. Inside that, what I'm passing that EID, just right? EID. After then, what is this? Here also just what I want ename, right? Here I want ename. After then, what I want here I want, what is that? Ename, e cell, right? E cell. And here I want what? Ename, e address, addr. I want this name I want. Okay now, run the application and see that, right? See that our Hibernate will change the property name also. See here the ename, eid, ename and ecell is there na, ecell is there na. Let's still, the application is running mode. Okay. Okay, come in the database and refresh it. See eid address, ename, cell, all those things become as expected or or not? See emp name. Why emp cell? No, what is this? E cell, emp id address. 1 minute, something goes wrong. The table name is what? Oh, refresh it first. Refresh it. Okay na. Delete this one. Previous table is not drop table. Okay, come. See, come emp table. New table is created. Now view the data, right? EID, E address, E name, E cell. The things is become or not as expected. The things is become as expected or not in the table. So all those things, whatever I explained in what as a what imagination and all those things, I implemented in the practical programmatic approach, and even I shown all permutation and a combination or not. And this first application we completed using what? Hibernate. And I'm requesting to you people also, right? You people also do the practical. Okay na. So still anybody having any doubt? Abhishek, unmute yourself.
Yes, Ravi, still no issue. Need a practical.
Do one time practical, right? Because tomorrow I will give what? Total abstraction. When I will start a Spring ORM, right? Too much abstraction is there. Without these things, you people will not get the right. So
Yes,
now infinite note 8i, unmute yourself. Manjulata, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Now clear things,
clear, sir. I understand.
do one time practical.
Yeah, Ravi. Hello, yeah, Ravi.
Yes.
You have any providing notes?
Yeah, I will share this one, right? I will share on my Facebook group is there, right? There I will share this notes, whatever I explained these things, right? Those things I will share on that. Download it and do the practical as well. If you need in the group, I will share this. What is that? This project, this application Git URL also. Download from there this project and do the practical. Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. You have, if you possibly send the message chat box is your Facebook ID.
Facebook ID, na? Okay, okay. I will open front of you. Okay, na? Don't worry.
Just your Facebook URL send me. I am like just I am.
Yes, yes. In the chat box, I will give you. Don't worry. Wait for some time, right?
Yeah.
It is too much slow, yeah. Yeah, I shared
Yeah.
the URL. You are in the chat box. Please copy everyone and okay.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, Prasanna, what about you? He's left, I think. Yeah, Padma.
Yeah,
Padma. Now
yeah,
clear.
got it. Yeah, clear.
Think is clear, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, do one time practical, right? It's need a practical, Okay, friends.
Okay.
I'm stopping the session here only. Okay, na? Actually, today I don't have time to talk. Tomorrow I will expend too much time to you people. Okay. So,
Okay, thank you.
okay. I'm stopping the session.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah. Okay. Have a good time to you people.
Thank you, Ravi.
Bye.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye.